How are you doing? How you doing, guys? Master Calvin FX here, El Dorado FX, as usual, bringing to you the best forecast as possible. As you know, this is not financial advice; it's our view and it's what's happening in the market. So, guys, we've been talking about 3,000 for months, but we didn't expect this shoot up from gold. But as you know, we're gonna keep doing the same thing, trying to buy in every retracement. That's the wisest thing to do. We know that at some point we're gonna get a correction, but for now, guys, let's focus on what we need to focus, which is buys, guys. This is has been the behavior since 2022 or before. If you trade gold for long, you know that it's been just shooting up and shooting up. So this is our analysis for today. As you know, this is not financial advice, it's only our view, but there's a couple of things that we need to be looking at, especially for the buy zones. We're gonna check for proper confirmations between 3068 and 3057. This area is very interesting because we got the 0.50 and 0.61 Fibonacci between these prices here, between 3035 and 3022. So the low of the week we know is all the way down here. This is the 4-hour time frame. So as you know, it's a very powerful time frame to trade. So if you have patience, you can do a lot with the 4-hour time frame. So this area is very interesting and we need to watch closely as well in case we have deeper retracement. But for now, the main focus is to stay here above these levels here. Hopefully stay above the structure that it broke last time. Hopefully we see that, as you know, we're probably gonna see some consolidation as well, possibly. If Asia will tell us more, but for now, we're looking also for some consolidation that can happen between this all-time high and these prices below here, all the way down to 3050, which is a psychological level. So this is what we were expecting. But this level will be good to watch as well, 3,100 for possible sell reaction. You never know, so always check for confirmations. But for correction, I expect probably the price to get all the way down to 3,110, 3,115. So let's have a look what happened in there. But this is what we think. For now, I think gold main target will be 3,100. But as you know, it always make us way before making the way up to the target. So focus on buys. That would be our main recommendation. Obviously, if you find confirmations, just jump in whatever trade you wish. Okay, so now we have the single prices. Single prices are really good to watch as well because it's at levels that we already check that we could have some reaction. So for example, buy confirmations, check for buy confirmation 3077, 3070, 3058, 3050, 3027. There in case of a deeper retracement. But if we will remain above 3050, that's definitely our signal that gold is gonna keep pushing up. So just put your mind into it. Just watch these levels. So also, again, we're gonna repeat this level: 3,105, 3,115. Check in that area for sell confirmations as well. So those are single prices. Just make sure that you watch these levels, okay? So that was everything in gold. We hope that you benefit from it and you have a very nice week. Okay, guys, I don't know if you remember the last time I analyzed it for you guys, Bitcoin again, and I gave you a big hint in there that remember even draw a new trend line for you. I hope that you benefit from this move down on Bitcoin because it's really crazy, more than 500 pips to the downside. So it's crazy that Bitcoin it just keep dropping as well. As you know, I remember we mentioned that Bitcoin was looking bullish, but in the end it was a fake out because we mentioned this key price to you, 89,100 42. If the price remains below the trend line as well, and then we draw a new trend line for you, and the price is dropping again. At the moment, it has failed to take out fully this low right here, but I'm expecting more. I'm expecting that FU, which is the purple area, get full up. So, and after that, we probably see Bitcoin flying back up again. But for now, everything I see is that it's telling me that Bitcoin is gonna keep going down. So this is why we're saying it's gonna go down, because we see the structure at the moment that is formed. So it's very structured, and we see that the price is declining very rapidly. So keep an eye on that. But once again, as we've been recommending, focusing sales in Bitcoin for now until we see a major breakout, at least to take these some main areas, and then we can switch to a different bias. But for now, just keep selling on Bitcoin. So we're happy to say, guys, again, that we invite you to come and to our free Telegram community, or our free Telegram signals group. As you saw, for example, as you can see here, sorry, we have more than 2,190 pips. That was in our premium, but part of that was the benefits, well, of our signal group. That, for example, this signal was very successful. Again, we repeat, signals is that we let you know where to buy, where to sell, and this is for free, 1 to 2 signals per day. So all the best. If you want to join us, and then you can make daily profits. You can see the results are here, more than 400 people in this free channel. So it's free. Just join us. The link is below, and that's it. Okay, guys, that was everything from us, and we hope that you have a nice weekend. Keep smashing it, and see you in the next video. This was Master Kelvin in Eldorado FX, and this was Analyzing with Eldorado FX. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.